We know our physical body needs exercise. Likewise, our brain also needs exercise. Brain exercise boosts intelligence, creativity, growth of new brain cell and enhance the memory power. Now I am going to do from brain exercise which will improve your brain. First one, 2 and 3. Now we should simultaneously change this 2 finger into 3 and 3 finger into 2. 2, 3, 2, 3. It will improve your focus and concentration. If you practice it well, you can also do speedily like this. And the second exercise. Keep like this and the little finger and thumb finger, and simultaneously here thumb finger and little finger. Do this simultaneously. And I will do some another brain exercise in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.